Guys, Andrew here, and welcome to my first Skyden. If you haven't seen my video of how to make a Skyden, this is what I last ended with. What I ended with. That sounds kind of weird. If you're wondering why I'm so slow, it's so weird. When I started to play my Minecraft off camera, it just started to be like, what?
How'd you protect this? Wait, Mommy did that?
No, I didn't. My brother just tried to ask me something. I'm doing this in survival. Okay, let me just shift so I don't fall off. And also, I was looking at night. When I was night, I actually saw bats. Ooh, looks so weird now. Ooh, you see my diamonds? My teeth. 40 players enemies that are gonna get. My dad is keep telling me time. I don't wanna. Doing my Skyden, Dad. Doing my Skyden. Oh, what? No, I'm doing my Skyden. Stop slowly doing something. It's so slow. Minecraft is whoa. Whoa! Oh, I almost fell. Just give me the stone. Give me all the stone.